Here's a setup to easily test IC in the amp. I have a speaker, I have the two port of the speaker, I have the phone putting music from the jack. So if I put the red probe on the tip of the jack, I got some music. And if I go up, music here, no music, nowhere. So the amp is off. Here's the IC. Put the IC in. We see the IC, I wish. Okay. See it's on. So I'm gonna put the amp to on standby. The light turn on. Oh, we got something here. Very low. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah. Sounds very low. If I move the pot for the treble. Oh. I have the treble mode bass on this one. Nice to know. The top. Volume? No. Set the sound in, but amplify. What I have is. It's here. It's here. It's died. Oh, it's on top of this one here. It's getting out. Oh, it's going with the treble. This is the treble. This was the middle. I think that's the bass. Oh, song is over. Let's go. Oh. So I'm gonna put the amp in. The amp is off. I'm gonna turn the amp on standby. What now? The corner, we know it's high. Ooh, yeah. Gonna put the treble, medium, and just do one or two. There's something here. Oh, what the hell? So high. No volume. It's just the signal, but wow, it's high, high, high. Got nothing to do with the volume or the treble pot. Gotta go with the reverb. Is the reverb? Yeah. Here. Oh, that's really the treble. Huh. The pot. Oh. No. Gonna cut the music. I'm gonna. So again, music. Yep. Here. No. No. No music. Oh, what's happened? Oh, the amp is off. My, I'm not grounded anymore. The amp's on. There you go. Get some sound. Just the volume. Yeah, that's the volume. Mid the treble. Mid. Bass. This one was big. So what's the first one? It's the volume. This is a treble. No, the volume don't do nothing. It's just a treble, I think. It's full. Yeah. It's like the second step of the tone board. So like first step and second step. It's not like in the top here. You can see it. Yeah. Another volume working. Huh. So I'm going to close the amp. I'm going to put another one. Just like that. Here we go. Turn the amp on. Yep. Go. So on the jack. Some music. This one. Yeah. Started working. Not tone board, so this one's for the tone board too, but not the volume. Okay. Put another IC. Beautiful. Turn the amp off. Damn. Turn the amp on. Check it out. Okay, here. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'd like it off. And put another one here. I didn't check the rest. Should be fun. Go. The amp on. Fastest. I'm gonna hit some reverb or something. The harsh, the gate, the volume, the what? The reverb. Is it reverberating something? Oh, the ground. The ground. What is the second volume? The left, the right volume. The volume is off. Alright, the volume. So this is working too. The amp is off. And it's missing one. Beautiful. So yeah, it's pretty I like it. I like it. So I think the board hot or something. It's those. I'm gonna change those. Yeah, the bias. Those big one are all diode I changed, but those two, and spread them a bit more to have more heat dissipation, more air in between. But okay, let's go. The amp is on, and oh, in the top. No, I have music here. No. And the jack? Okay, the jack is working. Yeah. 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 Why is that super low? So. And here. Huh? Funky. Like what? The reverb that thing or what? Wow. Something's like yeah. The reverb, but they got the rate. Huh. Funny. And the top one here. Not much. So it's funny the rate. Nothing here. Check that out. So yeah, something's kind of working here. I'm gonna close the amp. I'm gonna close that. You have all the IC connected. I'm gonna turn the amp on. I have my phone feeding to the jack number 2 low. So the speaker on the ground on the frame. Here it's the speaker probe. Oh, signal. Signal. Get some phaser in there. Yep. 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 Probably the volume is not on here. It's working. It's for the rate. Wait. Where's the rate here? For the rate. At the rate. If I turn the rate, the phaser. It's funny. So they all working. I'm gonna put the tube, and I'm gonna check the voltage here before putting the tube. Nice.